Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm a Divine Tarot. This is the English channel. So today I'm going to reading Leo. Okay, so Leo for September month. Leo's love, career, finance, job. So guys, very first of all, I would like to say this is a journal reading, and so it cannot be resonate to everyone, guys. And if you want to personal reading, so then you can contact my details are in description box, and my WhatsApp number is flash on the screen, guys, so you can contact me for personal reading. And guys, for those who are interested in Hindi tarot reading channel, so you can visit my Hindi channel Soumya Tarot Reading. So guys, I have given link for the channel in my description box. So you are interested in Hindi reading channels, so you can visit and link my description box. So Leo, don't waste time. So start the Leo's reading. Leo love. So Leo, this is your partner card. Leo, this is your partner card. Two of Swords and okay, Eight of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and Ten of Swords. Yes, guys. Leo, your partner is missing you a lot. Yes, your partner are missing a lot. Yes, they come back to return. Yes, Leo, they come back to return. This is a past energy. Yes, your past lover is come back to return, Leo. Your past lover is come back to want want to return back. Your past lover, your past partner, guys. But I can see, dear, I can see, Leo, they are afraid, they are confused, they are confused. Why this is the behind of the reason they are afraid, if you will accept them or not, guys. Yes, Leo, they are thought you will accept them or not. Yes, they are become sleepless, Leo. I can see your partner is very low energy and they are feel alone, they feel lonely, they are overthinking. Yes, Leo, they are become sleepless, yes, they are become sleepless. They are thinking about you always, about you, Leo. Yes, your partner overthinking about you. They are missing you. They are loves you. This is a past energy. Yes, Leo, your past partner is coming back. Your partner want to return back, Leo. I want to see. Yes, I can see. They are searching you on social media, social sites. They are searching you. Maybe they are cheated by third party situation. Maybe it can be the third party situation, cheated by the third party situation, or there are more chance that they can return back, and because they feel your love is pure, they thought. Yes, uh, they can return back because they feel, actually they feel your love is pure. Yes, Leos, your love is pure. So now it's your turn, your choice that you can want to accept them or not, guys. Leo, this is your choice. This is your choice only. You want to accept them or not. But your partner is alone, your partner is feeling lonely, and your partner missing you, or they loves you very much. They are overthinking, they sleep less. Yes, I can see. So Leo, that is your partner card, but this is your card for September month, your current, your present, and your future. And the September month, this is the September month card, and this is your card, Leo. Okay, 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 okay. The strength and three of pentacles, both card, one card is okay, 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 and the Hierophant, the Hierophant, and one more card, Queen of Cups. Okay, so guys, your card are indicating that you are suffering from tension or depression in past. Yes, because some card is a past energy and some card is a present energy, and your future and past. Okay, your future is very bright, and current situation is okay. September month for a positive, your positive month for you, guys. So I can see some kind of past energy, that there was some kind of misunderstanding between you and your partner due to some reason. Maybe it can be. So your cards are showing third party situation, either of your sides or by your partner's side. But Leo, in upcoming days, yes, upcoming days, your love life is going to be a better. I can see. I can see. Coming. I can see are coming out of all your problems. Yes, coming out of all problems, like problem in love life and career, finance. Yes, coming out. So so you have struggled a lot in past. Really, you was struggling a lot, guys. But current situation is very positive. Your card is indicating, the card is a strength card. Strength card is a very positive card for you, and September month is in September month is a new beginning, new opportunities for you, and sunrises, success, and a lot of love and lot of success. Yes, Leo, for you. So, but in coming days, a new beginning in waiting for you. New beginning. The strength card is a very positive card and new beginning. Your card is showing that you are going to get new opportunities. God with you. God is blessing you. Yes, God is blessing you. Your card is very, very positive. Yes. So I can see that in the past you was not satisfied with your job, guys. But you want to achieve something big in your career. You want to achieve your goal in this month. I can see that you are going to receive some new opportunities, new offer in your career, in your job. Many offers in your career in for September, in September month, guys. Many job offer. And if you look toward finance, I can see stability in finance situation, some kind of growth of your future. Your card are indicating that your future is very, very, very bright. Is but require, yes, guys, if you but it requires some patience. So be patient and wait for the right moment, guys. So please subscribe my channel. And Leo, this is your reading, so please subscribe my channel, like and share. If you want to interest in a personal reading, so you can contact me, and my details are in description box, guys. And if you can interesting in Hindi channel, so you can visit my Hindi channel, and my link is I have given link for that channel in my description box. So Leo, till then, happy success in your life. And September month is a good month for you, and many opportunities, new beginning, celebration in this month, and very positive month. So have a nice day, guys, and till then, bye bye.